Good day, everyone. My name is Shara Marie Pimendes, the first reporter of Group 10. So, our topic is all about creating a positive school culture. First is the meaning of school culture. The meaning of school culture generally refers to the beliefs, perceptions, relationships, attitudes, and written and unwritten rules that shape and influence every aspect of how a school functions. So, yung meaning ng school culture is ito yung nakapaloob dito yung mga shared values, beliefs, attitudes, behaviors, and norms that characterize a school community. Sinasaklaw nito yung mga collective identity and ethos of the school na nakaka-impluensya sa mga pakikipag-ugnayan sa mga mag-aaral, guro, administrator, and other stakeholder. Yung school culture ay humuhubog sa overall environment and impact sa lahat ng academic performance ng bawat estudyante. Next is culture as a social construct. So this means the school culture is therefore something that we do not inherit or pass on through genes. Rather, it is something that we create and shape. So, yung school culture is tumutukoy siya sa collective understanding, beliefs, behaviors, and practices na ibinabahagi ng isang group of people sa isang lipunan. Ito ay kinoconstruct sa pamamagitan ng mga pakikipag-ugnayan sa isang lipunan. So, this construct encompass various elements such as language, costumes, traditions, values, norms, and symbols. Lahat ng elements na to ay humuhubog sa bawat individual sa isang lipunan, nagbabagong mga ito sa paglipas ng panahon. Next is school climate and school culture. School climate refers to the school effects on students, including teaching practices, diversity, and the relationships among administrator, teachers, parents, and students. Yung school culture naman is a deeper level of reflection of shared values, beliefs, and traditions between staff and members. So, yung school climate, ito yung overall atmosphere, environment, and social interactions sa isang school. Yung school climate, nagre-reflect dito yung collective experience, attitudes, and perceptions ng bawat individual sa isang community. Yung school culture naman, ito yung mga values, beliefs, attitudes, behaviors, and norms na nagkakarakterize sa isang school community tulad ng sinabi ko kanina. Next is the role of school culture in learning. School culture matters research. School culture matters. Research confirms the central role of culture to school success. School culture can be positive or negative or toxic. A positive school culture fosters improvement, collaborative decision making, professional development, and staff and student learning. A negative school culture fosters the opposite. So, yung school culture is nagpe-play siya ng crucial role in learning by shaping the overall environment and influencing student engagement, motivation, and academic achievement. Andito yung sense of belonging, making them feel valued, supported, and accepted within the school community. Syempre, di ba, pag yung mga students is na-feel nila na belong sila or walang negative parang ganon is mas magiging active sila. Mas gusto nilang mag-participate sa learning activities lalo. So, in overall, yung school culture is nag-create siya ng environment na kung saan yung mga students is feel motivated and supported and empowered to achieve yung full potential academically, socially, and emotionally ng nila. So, that's all.